I transfer the inner contours of the motif onto the part of the applique which I plan to work on first. I recommend you should only transfer as much as you can actually embroider on the same day. I arrange the rhinestones on the motif. I am using As-4 rhinestones. You can replace them with Swarovski or less expensive Chinese rhinestones. As-4 rhinestones have a lovely shine, and their price is somewhat between that of Swarovski and the Chinese rhinestones. But they do tend to cut the thread. It's why I glue them on with Gutermann fabric glue and sew them on from each end with a 2-ply thread before the glue sets. You don't need to use much glue, just make sure it doesn't get on the cutouts. I secure the rhinestones in place. I sew them on with 2-ply nylon thread following the layout. I make a few stitches through each hole. The better you secure your rhinestones, the less likely they are to fall off because of the thread getting damaged when rubbing against them in wear. My rhinestones will hold in place very well because I have glued them on and secured them with stitches from both ends.